Now we'll learn different types of trees. Drawing a single tree in every scenery is quite boring. So here I am here to make you learn how to draw different types of trees so you can draw these different types of trees in your drawing book or in any scenery you want. Now in this video we will learn how to draw a cows. So we are going here to draw horns, ears and a very big body. So here it is completed. Now we'll go for a cat who is smiling. Yes, so these are the face and whiskers of the cat, a tail obviously, and now this drawing is completed. Now we'll draw the face of a baby prince, or we can say a prince. Now here we have drawn circle, hairs and ears, and it is completed. Finally, we're drawing a grasshopper. A grasshopper is an insect which is usually found in grass. Yes, here it is done. Thank you for watching our video.